Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will start our lesson number 8, question number 5. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 10 kilometer on the ground, then answer the following questions based on it. Now, as you know, here this chapter is about map only. So here there is a map is given in a short. That there is a Palanpur, Unja, Mehsana, Nandasan, Kalol, Adalaj, Subhash Bridge and Ahmedabad. And the scale also given that 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. Now on the basis of the scale and the map, you have to answer the following question. Like number 1, what is the distance between Palanpur and Mehsana? Now imagine that you are standing on a Palanpur and you are having your personal car, you want to go to Mehsana. Now as you know, on the map there is not mention about the kilometer. They have already mentioning centimeters. So what you will do? So first of all, you will start from here your cars. So 5 centimeter you will move to Unja. Then 2 centimeter you will move. Then you will reach to the Mehsana. So how you are going to solve it? So like this way, 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter will give you how many centimeters? 7 centimeter. Now we will do cross multiplication. Therefore, 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So 7 centimeters equals to how much? So as you know, we have to do the cross multiplication. So 7 multiplied by 10. 7 tens are 70 kilometer. Means if you will start your way from Palanpur to Mehsana, you will take 70 kilometers. Okay. Now, what is the distance between Mehsana and Adalaj? Now here imagine that you are standing on Mehsana and you want to go to Adalaj. So how you will do it? So first of all, you will count like this way. From here you will start your car. You will go 2.5 centimeter. Then you will do 2 centimeter. Then you will go 1.5 centimeter. Now like this way only you have to mention here also. 2.5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter. So total will give you 6 centimeter. Now as you know, it is mentioned in a centimeter, but you want the answer in kilometer. So therefore 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. Why we are writing like this? Because it is already given in the question that 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So that is why we will write here, and then 6 centimeter equals to how much? So cross multiplication, 6 tens are 60 kilometer. Means when you will take a car, you will start your journey, then you will take 60 kilometer to reach to Adalaj. Understood? Now next question, what is the distance between Unja and Ahmedabad? So here you are standing on Unja and you want to come to Ahmedabad. So how you will start your journey? So first of all, you will take 2 centimeter as I have written here. Then Mehsana you are reaching. So as you know, the Mehsana and Adalaj distance in the question number 2 only you have done. Mehsana to Adalaj. So you can keep like this way directly 6 centimeter also here. Or if you want to write all things like 2.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, that also you can mention. Or directly you want to write 6 centimeter, then also you can write 6 centimeter, because from Mehsana to Adalaj we have already here we have counted. Then till Adalaj you reached. Now you have to go to Subhash Bridge. So 1 centimeter you will add. Then from Subhash Bridge to Ahmedabad 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter you will add. Now all this you will add. 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. You will get 10 centimeter. What you will get? 10 centimeter. Now what is your scale? Therefore 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So 10 centimeter equals to how much? So cross multiplication, 10 tens are 100 kilometer. So the answer, the distance between Unja and Ahmedabad is 100 kilometer. Understanding everybody? Like this way you have to solve. Now state the distance from Nandasan to Subhash Bridge. Now here, you are here then Nandasan, and you have to go to Subhash Bridge. Again you will do the same thing, 2 centimeter. Then 1.5 centimeter, here I have written, see. Then from Adalaj to here, 1 centimeter, here. So 2 plus 1.5 plus 1 will give you 4.5 centimeter. Now what is your scale? So 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometers. So 4.5 centimeter equals to how much? Now as you know, your decimal is there. So you will remove decimal, then denominator 10 will come. So 45 multiplied by 10 upon 10. Now 10 cancel. What is left? So 45 kilometer. So the distance from Nandasan to Subhash Bridge is 45 kilometer. Yes, very good. Now question number 5. State the distance from Palanpur to Kalol. Now you are here there on a Palanpur and you want to go to Kalol. So what is the distance? So here we will see from Palanpur you will start. First Unjha you will get, so 5 centimeter. Here I have written 5 centimeter. Then Mehsana 2 centimeter. Here I have written 2 centimeter. Then afterwards, now from Unjha you will start, then you will reach to Mehsana. So 2 centimeter. Here I will write 2 centimeter. Then from Mehsana I will start, then 2.5 centimeter. Here I will write down 2.5 centimeter. Now from Nandasan I want to go to Kalol because the last stop is Kalol there. So again 2 centimeter. So here 2 centimeter. So what was the question from Palanpur to Kalol? So all the centimeters I will mention here first. Now I will add this all, like 5 plus 2 plus 2.5 plus 2. So it will give you 11.5 centimeter. Now again, therefore 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer. So 11.5 centimeters will be how much? So cross multiplication. As you know, here the decimal is there. If we will remove the decimal, you will get upon 10. So 115 multiplied by 10 upon 10. Now 10 will be cancelled. So what will be the answer? 115 kilometer. Means if you will start your journey from Palanpur to Kalol, you will drive 115 kilometer. Understood? Now question number 6. Which distance is more? Distance from Nandasan to Unjha or distance from Kalol to Ahmedabad? Now where is Nandasan? Here there. Now you have to return it back. Now you have to say me that which distance is more, Nandasan to Unjha or Kalol to Ahmedabad. Okay? So you have to tell me. How you will tell me? So first of all I will count the distance from Nandasan to Unjha. Now here I am. I want to go to Unjha. So I will count 2.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. I will here add it. I will get 4.5 centimeter. What I will get? 4.5. Now I want to count distance from Kalol to Ahmedabad. So where is Kalol? Here. To Ahmedabad I want to go. So 1.5 plus 1 plus 1 here. 1.5 plus 1 plus 1. It will give me 3.5 centimeter. Now you only tell me, come on, which is the more distance? So yes, definitely it will be this 4.5 centimeter. So the answer is distance from Nandasan to Unjha is more. Understood? Now next question. Which distance is less? Now you have to find out the less distance. Distance from Kalol to Mehsana or distance from Nandasan to Adalaj. First we will find out this distance from Kalol to Mehsana. Now you are standing here, Kalol. You want to go to Mehsana. So first here I will write distance from Kalol to Mehsana. Now from Kalol I will start my journey 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. So I will add it 2 centimeter plus 2.5 centimeter. I will get 4.5 centimeter. Now what was the next one? The distance from Nandasan to Adalaj. Where is Nandasan to Adalaj? So here 2 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. So 2 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter. I will add it. I will get 3.5 centimeter. Now right now we are what doing? We are totaling. We are not giving the answer. We are just counting for our information that all the distance we will count and keep. Now easily we can answer the question that which is less, which distance is less. So here we will see there is a 3.5 centimeter, here 4.5 centimeter. So definitely 3.5 centimeter is less. So I will write down the answer. Distance from Nandasan to Adalaj is less. Thank you.